For the 100 million time, Calvario will be not the first metro city here in Samar Island. So let me get this straight. Calvario is the largest city compared to what is now Metro Manila in terms of land area. That's why I'm saying. Ngayon, maliit pa lang na porsyento ang urban area ng lungsod. Wow, what does this even mean? Calvario has 187,940 while Metro Manila is 14 million. As the population. Look, Calvario has 187,000, but Metro Manila has 14 million. Fair, the largest city by population in Metro Manila is Quezon City with 3 million. As of 2024 Philippine Census, according to the PSI or Philippine Statistics Authority. Yes, because here in Samar, the most populated barangay was San Policarpo. In 2025, we have 6,960. But for Metro Manila, Agoncillo is the largest. Get out!